Step 1. Get a pot and fill it with water. Step 2. Put the pot on the stove and turn on the stove to a high heat. Step 3. Get your soup packet from the noodle pack and pour it all into the water. Step 4. While the water is boiling, you can prepare a bowl and your utensils. Step 5. After the water is starting to come to a boil, you can add the noodles. Step 6. Once the noodles get soft enough, you can stir them so that they don't get soggy. Step 7. Boil the noodles to your liking and put your finished product into the bowl you prepared.